Till now, we have completed a demonstration for customer application, merchant application, and runner application. So, through this dashboard, store owners are able to manage their apps and website and manage their business. Let's walk through the admin panel of the store from where store can manage the backend of their application as well as the website. Here we have some tabs which reflected the total orders, total delivered orders, total earnings, total customers. And you can also check your earning on the basis of yesterday, today, last 7 days or last 30 days. On the left hand side, we have the side menu bar in which the first one is the order section. Here in order section, the merchant are able to see the complete overview of their orders till date. Their order ID, the contact number, the customer name, the address, the total amount, order received date, delivery time slots if you have any, order status, runner status, etc. And you can also export this data into the Excel sheet format or CSV file format. Let's click on a particular order ID. Here we can see the name of the customer, the contact number, the date, the product name that have been placed ordered, then the customer details, the name, their email ID, their contact, the area, the order details, then the charges breakdown. Then we have the manage grocery section here. In manage grocery, the first one is the category section. So here all the categories will be shown here which has been listed by the store owner, and each category will have their subcategories. If you want to create a new category, click on add new button here, add the title of the category, then the image of the category and make it as add. It will reflect a new category over here, and accordingly you can add the new subcategory also by adding the title and the image. Then we have the product section here. This will give you the overview of all of your products that have been listed in this platform, or those are being reflected over your application and website. You can search the product by the product name. You can select the category here. You can search the product by their subcategory. Let me show you how you can add a new product from here. By clicking on add new, here you have to add the title of the product, the description of the product, and on the right hand side there are the categories. You can select a particular category and in which category, under which subcategory that particular product is going to fall. You select that, and then we have these labels, either vegetarian, non-vegetarian or none. Then you can add some tags. Then we have the taxation section. You can enable the taxation or disable that. Then you can add the address and code of the product. On the right hand side you can see here you can add maximum 4 images of the product plus a video of the product. After that we have this variant section. Here in variant section, if the products have multiple variants, you can add multiple variants from here, and it will reflect over the application with different pricing, different quantity, different unit, etc. You have to fill all those details like SAQ, SKUs, the weight, the number of quantities, unit, MRP, discount. The price will get calculated automatically, the maximum quantity per order, and the stock. If you want to add some stock here, you can also add the stock. If you want a minimum stock alert, you can add that number of the minimum stock alert here. And then if you want to continue selling after out of stock, or show out of stock on minimum quantity, or show out of stock on threshold quantity, you can select any of the option from here. After selecting or after filling up all these respective fields, Then you can select your recommended products you want to show after the product section and then update. After updating it, you have to make it publish to live. Once you make it publish to live, it will reflect over the application as well as the website, whatever the updation you have done on this platform. This is how you can add products one by one. After that, we also have the option of bulk import and export. This will help you in uploading the products in one go instead of adding the products one by one. Here you can download the store inventory and it will get reflected in the Excel sheet format and CSV file. You can do the amendments whatever you want in that Excel sheet. You can download that Excel sheet from here, from the system, and update it. Whatever the updation, whatever the amendments you have done in the Excel sheet, that will reflect over the application and the website as well. Same for the case of updating the product prices in bulk, or updating the product images in the bulk, etc. Then same, we have the upload inventory images. You can add the images over here and it will create a URL of that image. After that, we have the inventory stock management. If you enable this button, you will receive the stock information over this notification section. Whatever the product is going to be out of stock, that will reflect over here. Then we have the out of stock variants here. So whatever the list of the products is in the out of stock variants, that will reflect over here. Then the customer sections here. In customer section, you are able to see total number of enrolled customers that you have, or total number of registered customers through application and the website. You can export this data into Excel sheet format. Here the enrollment date is mentioned, the contact number, the name of the customer, email, the total orders, their loyalty points, etc. Then we have the marketing and promotion section here. Here in marketing and promotion, the first one is the coupons. So here you can create multiple number of coupons with their offer name, the coupon code, the discount up to, the validity date, and the total number of sales from particular coupon. You can make it disable and enable accordingly or according to the time period. Let me show you how you can create a particular coupon. Here you have to select a particular coupon, either it is a flat coupon or a percentage coupon. Then the offer name, the coupon code, discounted amount up to. After that, the offers applicable on. You can add the minimum order amount here. Then if you want to set a limit for a particular customer, that a single customer can use this coupon only one time, two time, or three times, you can add that limit here. If you want, they can use as many times as they want. You can set the no limit here. Then we have the offer validation section here. So here you can add the date, from which date to which date this particular coupon is going to be valid, or the customer can use this coupon from which date to which date. After that, the order facilities. Either this coupon is only applicable for pickup, or only for delivery, or for both. Same in the case for payment method. Then we have the terms and conditions. So if your offer or if your coupon have some terms and condition, you can add that text over here. After creating a coupon, make it save and it will get reflected in the customer application as well as in the website. Then we have the referent on section here. So as I already show you in the application how your existing customer can create a chain of customers by sharing or by referring your application to their families and friends. So from the backend, you can set this coded message here. You can set up the discount percentage, the validity of that referral code, then what will be the message you want to sent to the customer. So this message will be shown to the shared customer. If a existing customer share your application, this message will reflect to the new customer, like sign up with the store name using referral code, then the discount percentage, discount on your first order, code is valid for the date, and the shop URL. Either you can add your website URL here or your application URL. After that, we have the app notification. So this app notification is for your existing customer. You can share this app notification to your customer, to your existing customer, by sending up a message like refer your friend and grab discount, whatever the discount percentage you want to give them on your next order, and the applicable only if referral code submitted after successful download. After that, you have to make the status active, only then it will reflect over the application and website. Then we have the alert messages here. So this alert messages will help you in sending a app notification to your customer regarding any seasonal offer, any discount offers, or any special offers. You can add the title here, you can add the alert text here, or if you want to send some to particular customer, you can select those customers' name and send that push notification. And if you want to select all, make it select all and make it push notification and send. This will send in the app to the customer. After that, we have the reports option. So in reports section, you are able to see all your sold item reports. The date, the product ID, the name of the product, variant ID, and the sales quantity. Also, you can export this data into Excel sheet format. And if you want to check your sold reports on monthly basis, from which date to which date, you can check it from the calendar also. Then we have the daily orders section. So in daily orders, whatever the daily orders you are having, you can check all those daily orders here. The date, the order, the total payment amount, discount, payment in cash, online payment, Android payment, iOS, website, etc. will reflect over here. This data also can be exported in the Excel sheet format. Then we have the loyalty program here. The first one is configure the loyalty points. So here you can configure the loyalty points. For example, on how much order amount, what amount of points you want to share with the customers. Let's suppose 1 point on every order of 10 rupees, customer will receive 1 point. Then we have the loyalty coupons here. So in loyalty coupons, you can create multiple loyalty coupons to the customers and you can delete them accordingly. For example, while adding the loyalty point, for example, if customers have 50 loyalty points, they will receive of amount 100 off on their order. Make it active and mark it as submit. Then we have the user management here. So in user management, if you want to add some of your store admins here, like who is going to add which section, you can add those user management here. For example, this is the name of the employee of your store, the contact number, the email, and you have give them the permission to take care of the orders or to create orders. So if you are going to add a new user management, you can add the name of the employee, contact number, email ID, the role. You can select the role from here, store admin or a staff, and then which CMS option you want to give them. Either the dashboard section, order section, manage grocery, marketing and promotions, runner management, etc. You can select it and make it, as I said, a new user management will be shown here. After that, we have a runner management. So all your runners details will be reflect over here. Their profile image, their name, their contact number, email ID, and their status. If you want to add a new runner, you have to add the name of the runner here, the email of the runner, and the mobile number, their image, and you can also select the zone, in which zone that particular runner is going to provide the deliveries. okay, and their status, either active and inactive, and make it as a save. After that, we have the inquiry form. So if customer have some questions or some queries regarding how to use the application, how to place the order, all those inquiry you will receive in this section, and you can see how many inquiries you have, on which platform that inquiry has been placed, either from Android, iOS or website. After that, we have the content management. Here the first one is the banner section. You can add the banners here and you can delete them according to the time period. If I want to add a new banner, I have to select a type of banner, either it is top banner, web footer banner or about us banner. Let's select the top banner. I want to display in only website or mobile application also. Let's select the both option. I have to add the image caption here, then the image of the banner. And if that banner is specially for a particular category, for example, if you are providing some discount on a category A, you have to select that category from here. Let's suppose I am selecting the flowers, then the subcategory over here. Let's suppose I have selected the subcategory by the name of lilies, and I can make it active. So if customer in the application as well as in the website click on that particular banner, it will directly take them to the lilies section. Then we have the pages. Here you can add the pages regarding to your privacy policy, terms and conditions, about us section, etc. So whatever the terms and condition, privacy policy, refund policy, shipping charges you want to add, you can add those pages here and it will reflect over application and the website. After that, we have the FAQs. So the FAQs regarding for the customer, so you will get some questions as well as some answers here regarding the complaint, for the feedback, the payments, the deliveries, order processing. So if anybody asks you any question, you will have some answers here. After that, we have the settings section. So the first one is the store information. This is the store information about your store, your website or application. You can add the store name, the contact person name, contact number, email ID, location, city, state, country, currency, your app share link, your Android application link, your iOS application link. After that, your store logo, your app icon, and then the about us section. So here you can add what about your application or what you are providing through this application. You can enter those details here. Then we have the feature settings here. So in this, you can use these toggle button to turn on and off any settings whenever you want. Whether your store is on and off, what would be the store off message you want to reflect over the application, you want the delivery areas by radius or by kilometers. Then if you want to enable or disable recommended products, delivery slots, loyalty programs, if you want to show the deliveries, your email notification, if you are accepting cash on deliveries, etc. Then there is an option of adding the Google Analytics key as well as the Facebook Pixel key. After that, if you want email mandatory for placing the order, enable the review and rating section. You can add your WhatsApp number, your phone call contact number here. So most of the features that we have discussed over the application or over the admin panel, you can enable and disable them through this platform. After that, we have the online payment settings. So if you are taking the online payments, you have to add your payment gateway key over here, and all the payment will get redirected over your account. Then we have the text settings here. So if you enable this text setting, you have to add the GST number, and then you can select the product wise text rate. So customers are able to see all the product with the GST text wise rate, and then we have the store timing settings here. So if you are taking 24/7 orders, then it will be enabled, and if you have some specific timings of your store, you can make it disabled, and you can set the timings according to your comfortable zone. If you are taking orders from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., you can add those timings over here. And in your non-operating hours, whatever the message you want to display to your customers, you can add that message here. After that, we have the delivery slot settings. So if you are taking instant deliveries, or if you are providing the instant deliveries of your orders, then you have to enable it. And if you have some specific timing for providing the deliveries, you can make it disable, and this format will be visible here. You add the buffer time over here, order buffer time. You can add the maximum orders in a particular slot, and then whatever the timings you want to add for the slots. For example, in the morning you are taking from 9:30 to 11, you are providing the deliveries, and next slot if you are going to add, it will from after. So in the next slot, if you want to add the slot, so for example after 12 p.m. or after 12:30, you are providing the deliveries till 1:30. Similarly, you can create as number of slots as you want, and this will reflect over the application as I've already shown you in the customer application. After that, we have the delivery areas. So you can divide your city in different zones or different delivery areas, and you can set a minimum order amount from a particular zone and the shipping charges accordingly. Let's suppose if I want to add a new delivery area, I can select the zone. The city is already selected, which is Mohali. So let's select a zone by the name of zone 3. I can add the name of the zone, the minimum order amount. Let's suppose I am adding 250 will be the minimum order amount, and the shipping charges will be 15 rupees. If I want, like, do not allow customer to place order below minimum order amount, I can select this button here. Or if I want to charge shipping fee above minimum order amount too, I can select over here. So this is how you can create the delivery area for different zones. You can divide your city in different zones. You can set a minimum order amount according to the zone, and according to the zone you can set their shipping charges. This will get calculated automatically. After that, we have the social media management here. So whatever your store's Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram link, store LinkedIn IDs, YouTube ID, you can add your social media links here. So customer can directly redirect through those links. So this is all about the dashboard of our on-demand product delivery application.